We're back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. And I'm going to break down in today's video what made this strength go upwards, what news came out, and some indirect correlations to the stock. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the week that I mentioned last week and how it performed. And if you want to get on early with us, there are opportunities for day traders, swing traders, and long-term traders. No matter what it is, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Digital World Acquisition Corp. So the home run of the week was spectacular and beyond expectations. And I just want you guys to know that there are opportunities for all types of traders, swing traders, day traders, long-term traders, anything that you're looking for. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So this is a stock that I mentioned as it was reaching its 52-week lows, RGS, on the 26th. And I was also watching it closely because the CEO resigned and I thought it was an overreaction, right? We wanted to see if it was going to be an overreaction. And as you could see it was sitting at around 170 when I mentioned it. It had pulled downwards pretty big, hit a low here of about 156, 157. When I mentioned it was around up here in the 170s, 160s, and it started to reverse. You could see the strength on 42 vision. You could see the bull indicator on ultimate 42 vision, and the strength continued to reach a highest point of 195 of 20% plus, and quickly right after you could see the weakness reappeared, the bear indicator giving that point of entry here with strength and exit for those that were following the ultimate 42 vision. So if you want to get on early with us and know about opportunities that we look for every single day, join us. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and we have opportunities for all trading styles: day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Check it out. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So DWAC, DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, was sitting sideways, hit a low here of about $45, and that has been the lowest point after recovering from the 30s and 40s all the way up towards the $68 mark, pulling downwards, and that was the lowest we had seen it. If you pull up here Ultimate 42 Vision on the 30-minute, and by the way, you can now gain access to Ultimate 42 Vision and the 42 Vision Premium Indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, and you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and receive access to the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets. Now, if you look at this bull indicator, it went from 49 all the way up towards 49 and some change, and it was pulling downwards, but it did not break the $48 mark. Now, even though it pulled downwards, that bull indicator did not get negated by a bear indicator, so it held through that whole entire volatility, and you could see the strength going from red to green all the way up towards $64. Now, what made it go up so fast? Now, there's a few things. There's indirect correlations, and there's also the news that came out today. So the indirect correlation is in this same article, and it states here: Trump SPAC Digital World Acquisition Corp stock rises after social media app sets target launch date. Now, their launch date is by February 21st, okay? This is huge, okay, that they're able to set a target date now. Then they also have here how it jumped 20% by the close of the trading day today. And then they state here Trump's company is being marketed as an alternative to social media giants Twitter and Facebook, both of which banned him on the grounds of inciting the January 6, 2021 riot at the U.S. Capitol. Now, if you look at today's date, it's no coincidence that it is January 6, 2022, and today's the day it ran upwards. That is one of the main indirect correlations due to the stock's reaction, the timing, and everything. And then on top of that, choosing this date to go ahead and share the planned target date, which is February 21st. And if you read through it, it goes back and it talks about January 6th on 2021. Today is January 6th again. And then they started talking about here in this article how it skyrocketed from $10 per share as high as $175 per share in just a matter of 2 days. And we caught this stock, if you remember, all the way back at $11 on the date when things started to pick up, all the way towards the next day. I mean, this was some impressive growth and movement in a matter of just 2 days. I mean, this stock created returns from the bottom, right, at $11 all the way to $175. That stocks take up to 10 years to make those moves. It did it in 2 days. It went from just a SPAC, just a merger, a hype stock, meme stock, to a huge catalyst. Now, a lot of investors are probably asking themselves, well, what to expect tomorrow? I mean, that's a big move. And if you look at the history of the chart, it's been rejected in the 60s before. And you could see how it rejected 64. We definitely want it to break through that and reach up here to 68, break above 68, because that's the highest point it's reached after falling downwards, consolidating, trying to come back up, struggled, consolidated again, now got rejected at $64. It needs to break through 64 and 68, turn those into support, and then go towards 75 to then start reanalyzing and seeing what's going on moving forward, because they could start using everything as support and break through new resistance levels. But the first level is 64 and 68. Now, if I put the 4-hour, you could see here how the stock has a bull indicator when the last bear indicator was since way back here at $54. I did state on this video as things started pulling downwards that once that came up, it could struggle to get back up. It kind of just sat sideways, had some strength from way down here at the 40s, but still managed to touch the 40s again here. Today it got a bull indicator, pushed up to the 60s. We need to see if this can hold true and continue. The last time a bull indicator popped up at these areas of $48, $45, it only lasted about 3 bars to the upside. We have 2 already. We need to see this go towards the 3rd, the 4th, and not turn back around just as quick as it did last time, because it ate those gains that it rose in just 2 days or 3 days after that. We want this to compound, find support, and continue to rally towards the launch date. This launch date is a huge catalyst going into that day, and if this stock continues to grow towards it, it's gonna have some real strength, and the bulls will be on top, guys, especially now that there's a set date. So one of the key things that the bulls need to stay above is $55. We do not want to see that get broken through. $55 to $54. Use that as support if it does pull back and bounce off of it, or not even go back towards it and continue to scale to the upside, especially that now there's some type of confirmation. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description, and by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.